Hey, it's your girl Tina and I am back with another one. So today I am going to be doing the American tries food from somewhere that's not America. And today the food is from Ireland. I hope they can't see no addresses on here. Ireland. So my sister has a friend in Ireland. She met through Snapchat. And she talks to him, I think, almost every day or whatever. And they decided to send each other foods from where they live. He's from Ireland, she's from America. And it turns out that everyone's snacks is way different, like way different. Like they don't have Milky Ways, they don't have like fruit roll-ups, and different gummies and chips and stuff. So I decided, and he sent her like 2 of everything. So I decided to go on ahead and get the other one that she didn't eat. And some of the stuff is already open because my sister tried it and they only had one, like some of the chocolate stuff. But I swear I didn't try anything yet. Nothing came in my mouth. And it is like 7 in the morning. And I'm gonna eat junk food at 7 in the morning because I don't have any more time to do this. And I just got done working out, so it's fine. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. Screenshot. And let's see what we got in here. We have, oh, I'm just gonna get right into the video, of course. There's no reason to delay. Yeah, I just got sticky stuff on my fingers. Look at that. You can't see it, that blue. Oh, whatever. I'm gonna wash my hands. Swing. Alright, so I got my box of goodies. There's no address. And just because you guys don't believe me, I can show you that it says Ireland. Alright, so the first thing we have is chocolate crispy rolls. This is their Milky Ways that he said. This is the what? They don't have our Milky Ways. The chocolate bar, they have like these things. There's a lot of stuff in this box. So I don't know if I'm gonna try everything. I'm probably gonna try like one of each thing. I don't eat too much junk. But chicken flavored chips, chickatees. And this is just some of the stuff that he loves to eat, apparently. Dairy Milk Giant Buttons. I guess that's chocolate. I don't know. I'm gonna try those. We have a shortcake, a snack shortcake. Delish. We have, this is open, so, and there's only one in here, so my sister must have tried it. I don't know if it's still or not, but Hot Lips. Sounds good. And then I got some meanies. Meanies? Meanies. Ooh, they look just like me. And then I got some cheese and onion chips. And there's a lot of stuff in here. There's too much stuff. I don't know if I can eat all this. I'm gonna taste open all this stuff. I got some bacon flavored chips. What's on it? And I think that's all I'm gonna be trying for you guys. Actually, I can try one of these bars. Multi-pack bar, not for, oh, resale. Wrong thing. Boost. I got a Boost bar. Milk wheat bar. A Dairy Milk bar. And a fudge bar. A lot of stuff in here. But anyway, that's probably all I'm gonna try. Oh, maybe I could try these Ringos. They have have a sour thing. They have a sour thing in there, but as you guys know, I don't like sour stuff, so I ain't even gonna try that. But this Doritos, and that's open too. So let's just get on to try that one when they have one. And they have this crunchy bar. And that's it. That's all. This is a lot of junk. It's early in the morning. But they have this sour thing. I'm not gonna try it. I hate sour. That's the stuff that was on my hand. The sour thing is called brain liquor. Ugh, sounds disgusting. I hate sour food. But anyways, I got all my snacks in front of me. Don't mind my markers and stuff. I like to doodle. But I have all my snacks and stuff in front of me. And it's time to try them out. Should I say let's get into the video? Man. So the first thing, since it's open already, I'm gonna try these Hot Lips. Hot Lip snacks. They're kind of stale because they were open already, and it's been in my house for like 3 days or whatever. And I don't know how long she had it before I went and got it. So they're not spicy at all. It's just like, do you guys know what them Crunch cereal is? It's the, you know, the Berry Crunch cereal. It tastes like the yellow part, not the berry part, but I'll probably insert a picture or something. Not the berries, but the white part of the cereal. Next thing I'm trying, since it's already open, is these rings. Oriental spice flavor. Again, that wasn't spicy at all, but I love spicy food, and my heat tolerance is higher than a lot of people's. These are stale too, but it tastes like seasoned chips. They don't taste like onion rings. They taste like, I don't know, it tastes like it got, I don't know how to explain it, like Thai seasoning in it. Like the, I don't know how to say it. I don't know how to explain it, but it's alright. Alright. Now the rest of the stuff is closed, and I guess I should just finish the chips. Next is these Rancheroos, the bacon flavored chips. I need some bacon because it's 7 in the morning and I haven't ate breakfast yet. Not stale whatsoever. Does not taste like bacon. It tastes like plain chips. Pretty good. I don't taste the bacon at all. It's just like, just plain chips. Cheese and onion. Cheese and onion chips. I love cheese and I love onion. Sour cream and onion is my favorite chips to eat in salt and vinegar. You really taste the onion in these. When you eat these, you gotta brush your teeth right after. I just brushed my teeth too. Damn. When you eat these, you gotta brush your teeth right after, cause you really taste the onion. The onion overpowers your cheese. So you like onion, order these from Ireland. They're good. Cheese and onion, potatoes. Potatoes. Pretty good. Next we have the chicken flavored chips. Chicken flavored chips. tastes more like cheese and chicken. No, I can barely taste chicken. It tastes good though. Those are good too. So the next one is pickled onion flavored, the meanies. Mean. And they are like this. And I love me some pickles. I hate sour food, but I like pickles. Mmm. These are really good. They taste like our pickled. They taste like our pickled Lay's. Just like that. Just like the pickled Lay's that we had. Mmm. Oh, good. If it was 7 in the morning, I would eat the whole bag. Alright. That's all the chips. Oh, that had a lot of pickle taste. So now it is time for the chocolate, I guess. And the first one is going to be the giant buttons that I showed you. Ooh. It's like all melted together. I don't know if that, I don't think this is how they're supposed to look. But this looks like a whipping thing of chocolate. Tastes like chocolate. Yeah, it just tastes like a chocolate, like a Hershey's bar. Actually, no. You know what it tastes like? You know those things that they be selling for $1 when they go around like the church, that long bar and inside the white wrapper or whatever. And they be having like the almond and the milk chocolate and the dark chocolate and stuff. The long white. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but that's what this tastes like. Just like that $1 bar chocolate that the schools be having them kids sell. Anyways, next is this snack bar that I showed you. Ooh, it comes with 4 in it. I didn't even read that. It says 4. When I just open it and I see 2. So there must be 2 on the other side. Like the Twix. Oh, they ain't got Twix either. My sister had to send him a Twix too. So it looks like our Twix. It has the cookie in there. I'm gonna get a sugar high with all this sugar. It tastes like the Twix. It tastes almost exactly like a Twix with the cookie and the chocolate on the outside. Same amount of chocolate, same amount of cookie. It tastes like a Twix bar. It's good. Fudge thing. Most likely gonna sound like taste like a Tootsie Roll or something, probably. It's fudge. That's what Tootsie Rolls are. A lot. This tastes nothing like a Tootsie Roll. I don't know what this tastes like. It has a white in the middle. I don't know. I don't know what that tastes like. It just tastes like sweet candy. I don't even taste chocolate. It don't taste like chocolate. It's weird. Very weird. Anyways, this crunch. Oh, I opened it. I opened it. There's this crunch bar next. Long golden honeycomb wrapped in. Ooh, it's a honeycomb wrapped in Cadbury milk chocolate. Mmm. We need to get some of these in America. And then we all really be fat. This is delicious. Mmm. Oh my God. If you like sweet chocolate, honeycomb, look at that. There's an actual honeycomb in the middle of that. Like what the bees be making. This is so good. This is so good. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to order me some of these online when I get rich. I'm gonna throw this trash away. That, ooh. This 10 out of 10 right here. Everything else is about like a 7, 8. Crispy Rolls is next, I guess. Now I realized I didn't rate any of the stuff other than this. That's how good this is. But next is Crispy Rolls. This is the Milky Way that they have. Weird. And there's a roll of chocolate. Tastes like a Kit Kat. Tastes 100. This is gonna hurt my stomach. All this sweet. That tastes just like a Kit Kat. It's good. Really good. I'm gonna start rating now. That's about a 8 out of 10. Because the chocolate tastes kind of fake. It is good. Now this one is the dairy milk. After this, I have one more thing to try. And I'll tell you what was the best and what was the worst. So it looks like this. I don't know if it's still melted on the way here, shipment, or my house has never had dairy milk. Tastes just like that egg thing. Not egg thing. That giant. Tastes just like this. It's just like chocolate. Good chocolate. Like those white, I keep comparing white things that the schools be selling. And then this is the last one. The Boost Bar. I'm not expecting a crunch. I had like, I pulled it out. Plus it has a crunch in it. It tastes like a Milky Way. Tastes like the off-brand Milky Way. With the crunch. I get that a 8 out of 10 as well. But this is my favorite, of course. Bomb. This crunch thing, bomb. Don't mind my nails. I'm getting them done Monday. Today's Saturday. I've never had anything like this. Mmm. It says get that Friday feeling with crunchy. Oh my god. It does feel like Friday. It feels like yesterday again. Oh my god, it tastes so good. The worst things were obviously the stale ones, so I'm not gonna count that. So the stuff that tasted fresh, the worst thing was probably this fudge pop thing. I didn't like it that much. I couldn't even explain what it tastes like. And oh, these chips don't taste like chicken at all. These chips definitely taste like onion. You can barely taste the cheese. It's like onion chips. I like that though. I like onion. No bacon. You do not taste bacon in it, even though it's kind of shaped like a bacon. I guess that's what we're going for, but it don't taste like bacon. These are good, pickled, really good. And chocolate bars were good. Look at my mess, yo. I'm so messy. So messy. Anyways, so that's the end of the video. I tried all my Ireland snacks. I might put this as a thumbnail instead. You can all this shit open though, ain't it? You can all this stuff open. Ooh. Ireland snacks. Okay. Anyway, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like, please like, comment. If you like, if you enjoyed, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and to the end. And that's about it. See ya.